Hello, my dear friends. You are welcome in ASTRO-DOWSING channel. This is Rohit. Today, my topic of discussion will be brainwave, scalar frequencies, and energy center. Brainwave is a very important part in our life because different kind of individual, they have their different kind of comfortable brainwave zone. According to their brainwave and their thought process, this kind of balance takes place. And they behave, they talk, their gesture, everything is directly or indirectly dependent to this particular parameter. I can give you example that the way one child is reacting, or one young boy or girl and one old individual, they have the different brainwave and their wavelength. Often we say that my wavelength is not matchable with you. So that wavelength is basically brain wavelength. So these are all very popular terms. We do understand that difference, but it is really difficult sometimes to describe elaborately. But it is very true that brain wave is the representative of your thought process, your brain status, your depth in thought process, and your wisdom, your knowledge, your ability to receive something, anything. It may be knowledge, it may be wisdom, it may be creativity, anything. So, in a nutshell, if I say that right from any animal to human, there are a huge spectrum of brainwave. We can't say this brainwave is bad, that brainwave is good. Every kind of brainwave, it has some positive, some negative implications also. We have to identify the strength of it and which are the particular points where we have to develop, we have to improve. So accordingly, if we get any discrepancies or any deficiency anywhere, always we take support of scalar frequencies. And there are huge range of scalar frequencies that there in this universe. And our great scientists, they struggled, they researched throughout their life to understand its miracle science, and they retrieved lot of wonderful scalar frequencies from that a huge frequency zone in this universe. My only effort is to collect those miracle frequencies and to record all those frequencies through a very, very beautiful environment of sound system, and with the technical expertise, with our expert team and wonderful machines, so that we can deliver the best capable frequencies for your health and mental status to get best possible development, best possible benefit. So we do the same thing, and we will continue to do the same as long as we can work on it. So we already introduced www.healing-hospital.com and www.brainfriend.org and one another frequencymedicine.in, one another platform. It is an OTT platform. These are all coming simultaneously. Our saints also discovered the importance of energy centers. Normally and popularly, these are all known as Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agyan, Sahasrara. But it is not limited to this particular area. There are several octaves are working over there which are connected with these energy centers. Because particular one energy center is connected with a lot of human limbs, and they are directly or indirectly connected to your brain. So the energy centers are actually, they're playing a very important and pivotal role. You can say one kind of, it is a machine of alignment. If our body is a car or any device, maybe a four-wheeler, so the alignment is dependent on mental status and physical status. So energy centers are playing that very important role. And similarly, we try to do that in a best capable manner. So scalar frequencies are directly connected to energy centers, and they are capable to solve or to alleviate many physical and mental trouble. So if we are going the conclusion of everything, it will come out that brainwave is a very important thing which helps you for the meditation, for studies, to do any kind of job, but you have to restore yourself to that particular level. If you are talking to a child, your brainwave must be according to that particular level. If you are following a class and you are listening your teacher, you have to elevate yourself to that level so that you can understand it. At the same time, if you are trying to do some research work, your brainwave must be at that position where you can understand everything and you can deliver the best. Whatever the profession, you can think or you can work or you can try to do anything, anywhere. It is directly or indirectly connected to that particular brainwave. So either you have to elevate yourself or you have to adjust yourself accordingly to understand or to make anyone understand what you are going to say or in which field you are trying to convey your message to someone else. So my humble request is, if you ignore the ability of brainwave, neither you can deliver anything nor you can understand. So being a motivational speaker, if I am talking many things, you can't understand if you are not elevating yourself or your brainwave to that place. You can enjoy just like observing one film, but at the end of the day, you can't implement it. Or if I am going to listen one motivational speaker, I can't receive anything unless and until I don't try to elevate my level, my brainwave to that level. So your brainwave must be flexible or compatible enough to deliver or to receive something eventually. So my request is to do something good or to understanding for your betterment from anywhere else, from any knowledge center or any source. You have to understand the relation between brainwave, scalar frequencies and energy centers. Otherwise, I strongly believe that it is next to impossible to do anything successfully in any profession. Maybe if you don't understand brainwave, it's okay. But you have to go through a process of meditation if you want to get the best possible result out of it. And that is only the meditation procedure. I am not a yoga teacher. I don't know much about meditation and that field. But it is an ancient science and ancient practice. So saints, they keep doing meditation practice and all. They teach their students how to do meditation or yoga so that your brainwave can adjust itself accordingly with the situation. My only request to my listeners, to our members, our followers, to understand the depth of brainwave and how it can help you to work better, to perform better, and to receive in a best possible manner, which can help yourself, ourselves, and our nation. So that was the message for today, and I believe the people, those who are connected to us or those who are listening this particular session, they will be benefited, and I will request everyone to listen very, very beneficial frequencies which we are trying to send through our website or OTT platform, and definitely through our YouTube channel, ASTRO-DOWSING. Thank you for listening with patience. Thank you once again, my dear friends. Good wishes. Bye.